In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to get Costco membership. Now, getting a Costco membership is relatively straightforward. Now, you could go to the Costco website to explore the membership options available in your region. So, type in Costco.com. Here, it should be taken to the home page. Now, Costco typically offers different type of membership, such as Gold Star, Business, and Executive. Select the membership that best suits your need. Then you can join the Costco either online through the website or in person at your Costco local warehouse. And if joining online, you'll need to fill out a membership application form. This form usually requires basic personal information such as your name, address, and your email. Then Costco membership requires an annual fee which varies depending on the type of membership you choose. And be prepared to pay this fees when signing up as well. Now, after completing the applications and paying the fee, you'll receive your Costco membership card. This card allows you to shop at any Costco locations and take advantage of the benefits associated with your chosen membership type. Once you have your membership card, you can start shopping at Costco right away. You can enjoy access to Costco wide range product including groceries, electronic, furniture, and more. So that is how you can get a Costco membership. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.